Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, share and do subscribe my channel, Shua Azizuddin. Today I'm gonna talk about coronavirus. These few days the world has been shocked and been attacked by a new virus, coronavirus. This virus is originated from China in Wuhan Seafood Market. What is coronavirus? According to WHO, World Health Organization, this virus is a family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe disease such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS). This corona comes from a Latin word which means a crown or a halo, but in this case it is more similar to a halo. It is because under the electron microscope the image of this virus is reminiscent of a solar corona, whereby you can see at the description of the photos that the cells of the virus is being protected by a solar corona. This virus is transmitted between an animal to a human. It is similar to SARS, that it is transmitted from a civet cat to a human. Also, it seems with MERS, the virus itself is transmitted from a type of camel to a human. The Chinese scientists and a UK British scientist said this coronavirus is transmitted by a snake, which it is a Chinese cobra and a Chinese crab type of the snake. The symptom of this coronavirus is whereby you caught a running nose, a headache, a sore throat, cough, fever, and general feeling being unwell. This kind of virus spread by air such as coughing and sneezing, and then it also can spread by a close personal contact such as touching or shake hands and then touch the surface that has been affected by the virus. There are no vaccines at the moment. WHO just advise you to clean your hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Truly cook your meat and eggs. Avoid unprotected contact with your live or wild or farm animals. Furthermore, you can use a mask to protect your nose and mouth, and avoid to touch your eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. There are few countries that has been reported affected by this coronavirus, such as China, Hong Kong, Japan, Singapore, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, US and Vietnam. The Chinese government take initiative to lock down and seal Wuhan. All of the citizens should not leave the city. There is about 11 million of population in the city of Wuhan. They need to have a special reason to leave Wuhan. And then yesterday they just sealed another city of China, which is Huanggang. This city have population of 6 millions of people. They are also cannot go outside of the city unless they have a special reason and approved by the government. So at this moment, to travelers, they advise you not to go to the place that affected by this kind of virus. Make your studies before you go for a travel. So take care of your good health and Just praise to the God that you will be okay. This is the only Corona that I like, is Toyota Corona. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. See you again.